Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the Ruby on Rails project directory structure. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let me open my Ruby on Rails project also. So we have HTML, we have a my app, where it is. It is Ruby on Rails project. I think it's in the home directory, might be home. This is my app, right? So let's open with the project. This is your directory structure. If I go with this one, or if I go opening this one, structure, this is, we have the structure, and this is what we have. Okay, so app. So this, we have the app folder. App contains the core components of the Rails application, including models, view controllers, helpers, mailers, and the assets. So everything is goes over here. Assets, channels, controller, helpers, JavaScript, jobs, mailers, models, views, everything. Okay. So it's contain the core components. Bin includes executable scripts that can be run from the command line, such as Rails, rake. Okay. So the config houses configuration files for the application, including the database configuration, environment settings, and the routes. So it will come under the config. Okay, so we have the environments. Okay, credentials, database. So everything will go configuration related to that one. It will go with the config.ru rack configuration file used to start the application server. DB contains the database related files. Okay, so we have the DB, which consists of the database related file like migration and all. Okay, migration schema seeds, it will come under the DB. Docker file, instructions for the building a Docker image for the application. Gem file, specify the Ruby gems required for the application. So basically you can say about the gem file is like the, you can in the node.js you can say about the packages you are installing. Same in the gem file, you have to, like, it's a package.json in the JavaScript or the Node.js, and same as in the gem file should be act as a, whenever you try to install the packages, it will come under here and it will create the package. Gem file.log ensures that the gem versions used in the application are consistent across the different environments by locking the specific versions. Library lib hold libraries and modules that extend the application's functionality. Log contains the application log files. Public stores the static files that are served directly from the web server. Then we have a rake file, defines the task that can be run from the command line using the rake command. README provides an overview and instruction of the application. Storage used for the active storage to save files uploaded. So storage for that one. Test containing the test files for the application. Temp stores temporary files generated by the application such as cache, session. Vendor holds the third party code including the gems, plugins, and that are managed by the bundler. Okay, so this is all about the project directory structure. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.